Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently international students in Brampton, they conducted a rally where they demanded, I mean, consideration from the government because many of them have their postgraduate work permit expiring, and because of higher cutoffs going through express entry, lack of LMIA, or you can say low PNP invitations, they are not able to get through the permanent residence of Canada. And it's not just about international students. Many workers too are going through the same situation because the cutoffs are going so high that like they are not able to score enough points. So what is the solution? That's what I'm gonna describe in this video. Make sure you watch this video till the end and let me know if you have anything that what you feel about this. Okay, so let me share something with you. So guys, here you see, okay, what you are seeing. This is like the draws that have been conducted. May 31st, CEC 3000 in meter, but see the cutoff. PNP, see the cutoff. French general. So out of these draws, where do you see the lowest CRS score? Of course, it can vary and it can vary high, but if you really want to take something, you need to do drastic approach. You have to, right? See this, if you fall into these category-based draws like agriculture or agri-food occupations, healthcare, um, transport, then still you get the opportunity. But see for French, how low it has gone. So if you read the criteria, if they're like we have IELTS exam for English, so if I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. For French, it's DELF and some other exam that they accept. If you can pass those exams and achieve, you can do, and especially if you're already in Canada. There are various French teaching institutions. Many apps are there, many websites are there. If you can go through that, and if you qualify under these programs, of course, read the criteria, then you have very good chances, no doubt. If you scroll this down further, it's amazingly low for French. If I filter with this French, okay. So let's see how far it has gone. See, like 375, 336. Such low cutoffs have also gone. So the highest I see, it has gone to up to 486 here, which is still quite high. But see the lower. Of course, vary. This number keeps on varying. So if you can learn French and go through this, this is gonna be your key. So this is what I would suggest you guys to do. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.